Studio owners, stick around. In this video, we are going to actually do a 3-part series of how your fitness studio can actually start and grow a YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're going to specifically talk about why it's important to actually get started and how to grow it. Hi, I'm McKenna. I'm the creative manager here at Loud Rumor, and today I'm joined with senior video producer Jackson. He knows all things video, YouTube, all the gears and gadgets and things in between that you'll learn in this series. Jackson, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you.
And before we get started, I just want to remind you guys at home that Loud Rumor is a marketing and consulting agency specifically for fitness studios, and we help our members get more members, more money, and more minutes back in their day. And if you want to learn more about how that can happen for you, just go ahead and click the link in the description below. We'll set you up with the free strategy call and we'll take care of you. All right, so let's just talk the obvious. Why should fitness owners even start a YouTube channel?
So starting a YouTube channel, that's going to put some exposure on your studio in order to kind of showcase what you offer in terms of your value. It's a free lead resource. It's the video ad platform for Google.
Yeah, actually, we do it here all the time. In fact, I literally just did it 5 seconds ago when I asked you guys to click the link in the description below. That's something you guys can do at home, for your YouTube channels, is when you make these videos, creating a call to action link so that the viewers can take the next step.
But you can attach that to a landing page where you can collect leads information, whether that's email, whether phone number, how far they are, where they live, and that will allow you to kind of organize your leads for the future.
And I just read a study too. There's 2.6 billion monthly users on YouTube. Billion with a B. Yeah. Maybe you're not going to have all 2.6 billion, users at your studio, but chances are your member in your area is going to be a viewer, and so definitely using those to collect that lead information. Like
if you're doing virtual fitness as well, that could be an excellent way to reach out to people, all across the world.
Jackson, can we talk a little bit about some benefits of using YouTube?
It's going to give your viewer or your potential member an opportunity to take a peek in on what you offer, on what your studio looks like, and it's going to be able to give them an experience without stepping foot in your door. Of course, we do want them to, eventually come in, but that goes along with your CTA and how you pull that member in and get their contact. Let's say you just go ahead and start and you have a YouTube channel where you have a catalog of videos. Just like here at Loud Rumor, we have a catalog of videos, and some of our older videos even get put into circulation and get to see new eyes. So that's awesome as well. Yeah,
if you notice on the suggested videos on the right of your screen, you'll probably see a video from 3 or 4 years ago that Loud Rumor put out. It's a great opportunity for your member not to just see one video of you, but now on the right-hand side, it's like, oh, here's another good video, and here's another good video that you're producing. What are some other benefits?
Because you have a YouTube channel, because that is yours, at the end of the video that they're watching, the most recent video, whatever it may be, there's going to be a suggestion that says to watch more content, and it gives your viewers an opportunity to see older videos or the most recent video that you have put out.
And like I said, this is a series, so in a different video, we're actually going to show you how to add that watch more end screen. So stay tuned for that video. What are some other benefits that we see?
Yeah, so another benefit is that people who view YouTube, they don't necessarily need to have an account to be able to view your YouTube videos. Like on Instagram or Facebook, viewers will need those accounts to view any content on those platforms.
Right, yeah. If you even just like Google search like, how to do a squat, chances are a video from YouTube is going to pop up. You can click on that. Chances are it could be your video if you do it right, if you follow these rules. But yeah, they don't even have to be logged into YouTube. Whereas like if you're on Facebook and you have to have an account, you're on Instagram, you have to have an account to, view some of the things that they offer. Yeah. So huge opportunity there for if your members don't have an account, they can still watch your content.
There's so many benefits of using YouTube, and stick around with this series. We're going to go really kind of in depth on it, and we're going to show you how to use YouTube to your advantage.
And then just as a reminder for you guys at home, I'm going to do it again like we just taught you. Loud Rumor is a fitness marketing and consulting agency specifically for fitness studios, and we help our members, get more money, and get more minutes back in their day. So if that's something you want to be a part of, just go ahead and click the link in the description below, jump on a free strategy call, and we'll get you taken care of. Thank you, Jackson, for joining us and for those tips. And stick around for this series because we're going to show you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel in the next video. And if you like this video, please like, please comment, please subscribe for more videos just like this one.